welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of affiliate marketing and exploring how to build a successful affiliate marketing strategy. Let's get started. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where you earn a commission for promoting products or services and driving sales through your unique affiliate links. Here's a breakdown of how affiliate marketing works. The key to a successful affiliate marketing strategy is choosing the right niche and products to promote. Let's discuss how to research and select profitable niches and products for your affiliate marketing efforts. Building a loyal audience is essential for successful affiliate marketing. Whether you have a blog, YouTube channel, or social media following, here are some strategies to grow and engage your audience. Creating valuable content is crucial for attracting and converting your audience into customers. Let's explore different types of content you can create to promote affiliate products effectively. Promoting affiliate products requires a strategic approach, from product reviews to tutorials and comparison posts. Here are some effective ways to promote affiliate products without being overly promotional. Optimizing your conversion rates is key to maximizing your affiliate earnings. Let's discuss techniques to improve conversion rates and increase your affiliate commissions. Tracking and analyzing your affiliate marketing performance is essential for refining your strategy and maximizing your earnings. Here's how to track your affiliate links and analyze performance metrics. Building relationships with merchants and affiliate networks can open up new opportunities and increase your earning potential. Let's explore how to establish and nurture relationships with merchants in your niche. Thank you for tuning in to our video on building a successful affiliate marketing strategy. We hope you found these tips helpful in creating your own profitable affiliate marketing business. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content on passive income strategies. See you in the next video.